Welcome to the Science Academy. Here we are with the class 9th chemistry. Unit 1 Fundamentals of Chemistry. Today our topic is about chemical species and molecules. In this topic we will discuss about the chemical species and molecules. Chemical species, that is atom, molecules, ions, etc., take part in chemical reactions. Ions. The particle that carries an electrical charge, positive or negative, due to the loss or gain of one or more electrons is called an ion. There are two types of ions, as shown in the picture: cation with a positive charge and anion with a negative charge. Cation is formed with the loss of electrons. Cation. The atom which loses electrons from its outermost shell, a net positive charge is appeared on that atom. This positively charged species is called cation. Cations always have less number of electrons than a number of protons. The table shows the examples for cations. Hydrogen forms a cation with a positive charge with the loss of one electron. Anion. The atom which gains electrons, a net negative charge is appeared on the atom. This negatively charged species is called an anion. Anion always have more number of electrons than the number of protons. The table shows the example for anion. Fluorine with the addition of one electron becomes anion fluorine minus 1. This table shows the difference between atom and anion. Ion. Number 1. Atom is neutral, it has the same number of protons and electrons. Ion. It has a net charge, either negative or positive on it. The number of protons is different than electrons. Molecular ion. When a molecule loses or gains one or more electrons, it forms a molecular ion. Molecular ions are also called radical. It can be cationic molecular ion or anionic molecular ion. For example, CH plus 1, CO plus 1, C2H5OH minus 1, etc. These all are molecular ion. Free radical. Free radicals are atoms or group of atoms that has a single unpaired electrons in an outer shell with no charge. It is represented by putting a dot over the species. For example, hydrogen radical, chlorine radical, etc. Molecules. A molecule is formed by the chemical combination of atoms. It is the smallest unit of a substance. Molecules is the smallest particle of matter which can exist free in nature and may be compared of like or unlike atoms. It shows all the properties. For example, H2, N2, O2, etc. There are different types of molecules depending on the number and types of atoms combining. If you look at the table, it shows the different types of molecules, such as monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecule. The table also shows the example for each category, such as helium, oxygen, water, and sulfur.